Lovely people, bless you for coming. This is your boy Andy. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. Yes, so today I'm here to take you through how to restore your old images, your blur images, and it will shock you. We are doing this without software. We are doing this under 10 seconds, and we are doing this with a single click. Without wasting your time, let's start this. So I have my image here. Let me go and show you the image. Let me show you the image. Where is the image? Yeah, so we're working with this image. As you can see, this is the quality of the image. You can see how bad it is. And we are going to like restore this image and it will shock you. So what you're going to do is to like get your internet connected. Get your internet connected and search for photo booth on Google, and the first link that will come, you see photobooth.online. Click on the hyperlink or click on that particular website, and this is the home page. It does a lot of things. You can use it to do US passport photo, use it for baby passport photo. So you have to scroll when you land on the home page. Scroll till you meet photo restoration. So when you get here, just hit on try free. The good thing is that it is for free. So hit on it, and what you're going to do is to you can drag and drop your image or click on upload photo, then go to where you stored the image. So the image is here. So this is the image, then boom, we have to wait for the magic to happen. You need to get strong internet connectivity. Seems my internet is somehow slow, but one way or the other, we will wait. So finally, the outcome is in, and this is the outcome. You can see there's been a great changes, great improvement on this particular image. So I will download and I will open the old image and the newly generated image with this platform for you to see. This is amazing. So finally, the restored image has been downloaded, and this is the restored image. Let me check this one, and this is the image that we used. Restored image, the image that we use. This is the restored image, the image that we use. So you can see the difference right here. So Charlie, this is how to restore your old images with dirt, scratches, and a whole lot with this particular platform for free. My name is Andy. Bless you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. I'll be bringing you more updates on this platform. Bye bye.